Over the last few decades, negotiations over climate change have affected the policy decisions worldwide. As a result, climate change is now a mainstream issue of international relations.
In the 1950s and 60s, the impact of carbon emission on environment first became a concern for environmentalists. Studies over the next 20 years confirmed the link between CO2 emissions and global warming. But the first major global discussion on changing environment took place in 1972, when leaders of the world gathered in the Swedish capital Stockholm for an international conference on human environment convened by the United Nations. It was a turning point in the development of international environmental politics. Environment was now officially an international concern. The Earth Summit took place in Rio de Janeiro. Here, the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change was signed by 154 nations. It agreed to put a check on greenhouse gases and set voluntary targets for reducing emissions.
The first Rio conference itself took major steps. 3 conventions were set up: the Climate Change Convention, the Biodiversity, and the Desertification. And therefore, at the Rio Plus 20 conference, where heads of government and our own Honorable Prime Minister will participate, will focus upon reviewing how the commitments made at the first Earth Summit and the 3 conventions have been implemented.
It was realized that emission reductions provisions in the convention were inadequate. Negotiations began to reinforce the global response to climate change, and the Kyoto Protocol was adopted on 11 December 1997 and entered into force on 16 February 2005. Negotiations began to reinforce the global response to climate change, and the Kyoto Protocol was adopted on 11 December 1997 and entered into force on the 16th of February 2005. The Kyoto Protocol legally binds developed countries to emission reduction targets. However, the United States, an important signatory to it, has not ratified the treaty. The protocol's first commitment period started in 2008 and ends in 2012. Later, at COP17 in Durban, governments of the parties to the Kyoto Protocol decided that a second commitment period from 2013 onwards would seamlessly follow the end of the first commitment period. There are now 195 parties to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The parties to the convention meet annually in conferences of the parties, COP, to assess progress in dealing with climate change. Over the years, we have achieved many milestones in global response to climate change, but at the same time, it has also led to contentions and disputes between various countries.
Climate